Windows 11 on Raspberry Pi. Can you believe it? Where many of the users can't even install Windows 11 on their PC because of the TPM chip. But at the same time, we can run this Windows 11 on our Raspberry Pi very easily. In my previous video, I already show you that how you can install Windows 10 on Raspberry Pi and use it. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step guide to easily install this Windows 11 on our tiny little board Raspberry Pi. But guys, frankly speaking, I will not recommend to use this Windows 11 on our Raspberry Pi as a desktop because this is just a preview version of Windows 11 and it has so many bugs on Raspberry Pi. But if you like to do experiment, then I will highly recommend you to try this one and install Windows 11 on your Raspberry Pi board. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel, and if you had already subscribed, then thank you so much. So guys, here is my Raspberry Pi 4 board with a Ice Tower cooler added with it. I am going to install Windows 11 in this one, but you can also use Raspberry Pi 400. Then I am going to use this 16GB class 10 SD card, but also you can use USB pen drive or external SSD with your Raspberry Pi if you want to. Now connect your SD card with your PC using a SD card reader. And let's start installing the Windows 11 on our Raspberry Pi. First of all, you need to download the ISO file of Windows 11 for Raspberry Pi and a different kinds of flasher to flash it on SD card. So open up your favorite browser and navigate to ourproject.ml. In this website, you will get all the Windows project for Raspberry Pi. Now click on download latest version. Then scroll down and download the Windows on Raspberry Pi imager and save it on your desktop. Then again scroll down and click here on this UEP dump new website URL. And it will take you to a new website. Now click on select type and select Windows Insider Preview. Then click on select version and I'll suggest you to select the latest one. After that, select your language. Then click on select edition and select which edition you want to download. In download type, select download ISO compiler in one click with CMD file. Then from here, save the CMD file on your desktop. Okay, now minimize the browser. Then create a new folder on your desktop. Then move the CMD file to that folder to keep everything clean. Now go to that folder and run this CMD file as an administrator. And it will run some script to download and compile the Windows 11 ISO file for your Raspberry Pi. Leave it as it is. Don't do anything with the CMD. Just let it do its work. After 30 minutes, here I get an ISO image file. This is the Windows 11 ISO file for Raspberry Pi. Let's rename it something identical. Okay, now we have Windows 11 ISO file for Raspberry Pi to flash it on SD card. To flash it, we need the OR imager. Here we have downloaded a flash.zip file. Right click on it and extract the zip. Here in the extracted folder, you will get an exe file. Run that file on your PC, and this is the Windows flasher on Raspberry Pi. Now from here, select your language, then click on next. Then click on storage device and select your external storage like SD card or USB. Careful to do it. Do not select your internal storage. On device type, select Raspberry Pi 4 or 400 because I am using Raspberry Pi 4 4GB variant. Then hit next. Now click here and go to that folder where we had generated Windows ISO file for Raspberry Pi and select the ISO file. From here you can see the edition. Now click on next, and now we need drivers. I will suggest you to select the latest package available on the server and hit next. Then select the latest UEFI firmware and click on next. Here in this page you will see the configuration. I am going to overclock my Raspberry Pi CPU for better performance. So I will add here in this boot option these two lines to overclock CPU to 2 GHz and voltage to 6. Then click on Next. In this install page, you will get all the details overview of your installation, or flash the Windows 11 files on your SD card. First, it will format your SD card, then it will create a partition and it start installing Windows 11. It's gonna take some time, so you need to wait and sit back. When the flashing is completed, click on Finish. Now remove the SD card and insert it into your Pi. Now connect all the peripherals and give power to Raspberry Pi. Also keep pressing Escape key to get into the BIOS type setting on your keyboard. Then using the keyboard arrow key, go to Device Manager, then Raspberry Pi Configuration, then Display Configuration, and select your display resolution. Also make sure to uncheck Native Resolution. Then come back and go to Advanced Configuration and disable the RAM limit so that your Raspberry Pi can use all the memory it has. Then save the changes and exit. Now your Raspberry Pi will boot to Windows 11 and you need to wait and set up your Windows 11 for the first time, like we all used to do whenever we install Windows operating system. Now here we are running Windows 11 on our Raspberry Pi. It seems all okay to me. Everything works great, but not the Wi-Fi. But you can use the Ethernet. And let me mention that Windows 11 using all of the resources of your Raspberry Pi, like the full CPU and full memory. I will not suggest you to use this as a regular desktop this time. This is just a preview build. But if you decided to use it as a desktop, then wait for the final release. That will be more stable than this one. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video and enjoy this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And guys, if you're new to this channel, then please do subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you had already subscribed, then thank you so much. I'm Mehdi Shakil. You are watching this tech tutorial and I'm signing out.